Building complex custom digital products requires more than just coding excellence. It demands advanced techniques and a specific approach in every aspect of software creation, from design through project management to quality assurance. All these elements work together towards a common goal, keeping the development process under control and delivering a comprehensive product that seamlessly covers the whole process. But how to achieve that? Let's take a look at some tried and tested solutions. Hi, I'm Magda, Business Development Manager at Merrick Studio, and this is how we do it. This series, we present you with specific design and development challenges and explain how we deal with them at Merrick Studio. Every case is based on our experience and the projects we worked on so far. In this episode, we'll take a closer look at the UK-based Specialist Certification Company. It's an independent, non-profit NGO and an industry leader in the field of high-stakes testing. They focus on developing, administering, scoring and reporting results of valid examinations that assess the student's competence. The company wanted to introduce a new multi-stage exam that would assess theoretical, practical and clinical decision-making skills. And that's when they faced a few challenges. Up until now, the client has been relying on outdated software combined with off-the-shelf solutions to automate the process of creating and conducting examinations. The software is burdened with technical and UX debts. While these systems roughly met the organization needs, they fell short in supporting complex testing methodologies and accommodating the changes related with the new exam. Moreover, the utilization of multiple solutions had a negative impact on the user experience and the easiness of the process. That's why, to maintain the highest quality of examinations, the organization decided to develop a custom software solution. How can we cope with these challenges? Maciej Stępniak, our senior business analyst, will share some insightful solutions based on our experience. Let's begin with discussing the project management aspects. How will we approach the project from this side?
When it comes to the PM area, we should primarily focus on effectively managing the complexity of the product and the extensive scope of work. As the software development aligns with the evolving concept of the new exam, we highly recommend adopting the Scrum framework. This agile approach empowers us to define clear objectives for each sprint and enables us to adapt to changing priorities in dynamic environment. Furthermore, this kind of large-scale project involving numerous team members requires implementing the roles of Scrum Master and Proxy Product Owner. This will ensure high standards for both the team's performance and the product's development. Scrum Master ensures the efficiency of processes within the team. Additionally, they take care of the team motivation. For the product owner, the responsibility lies in optimizing the backlog in terms of business value, usability, and feasibility. They manage the product roadmap and address strategic needs. To clearly visualize the work progress and effectively plan the tasks, we need a well-suited roadmap. Crafting it requires leveraging advanced estimation and prioritization techniques. For the purpose of the first one, we would use the Scrum Story Points method. It allows teams to efficiently estimate and plan their projects without getting bogged down into exhaustive details. Instead of attempting to precisely predict the number of days or hours for each task, the team focuses on comparing the relative difficulty of one task against another. On the other hand, for effective task prioritization, we can use well-regarded Moscow method. It's very useful for managing backlog and requirements. It allows us to assess what we would definitely accomplish in a given period.
Proper project management is definitely a crucial part of dealing with complex products. But what about the technology?
Tech solutions should all be about ensuring reliability, scalability, and security as the system evolves and has to collect analytical data as well as track record changes with clear audit trail. It is also key to provide high performance with zero downtime during the exam. Apps that reflect such complex processes invariably call for well-considered architecture. It needs to encompass all dependencies, remain scalable, and prime for future expansion. That's why software architect ongoing engagement in building complex products is more than welcome. In this case, we decide to create a modular, event-driven architecture. We base the whole application on what's going on in the event stream, not on user request. We opt for this solution to achieve utmost scalability, effortlessly adding new component instances to bolster throughput, and an architecture built upon event facilitates parallel handling of multiple requests. And what about the architecture style? Does every complex digital product require microservices? Well, Not always. While microservices are often considered the default choice for comprehensive systems, we intentionally deviate from using them in this specific case. This decision primarily stems from the ongoing product development phase on the client's end. Our main emphasis revolves around crafting the domain and integrating the business logic within the application. Prematurely dividing the application into independent microservices could potentially complicate the rectification of any missteps later on. It is of utmost importance for the solution to maintain the required flexibility to adapt to ever-evolving product needs. While we do have satellite applications connected via message bus, it is imperative to clarify that they do not operate as independent microservices, although they may become them one day.
So let's move on to the design aspect of the projects. How can we ensure the highest level of usability for such a complex product?
First of all, we need to understand the product inside out, considering all its dependencies, user profiling, and business context. To kickstart our collaboration, an extended discovery workshop will be essential in acquainting ourselves with the fundamental requirements and domain knowledge. Yet, we cannot stop here. Given the scale of the app and the long-term perspective of our work, and the modular architecture we've recommended, we'll need more time and special approach to delve into the product details. That's why we propose a gradual development process, breaking down the work into specific modules and starting it with the dedicated discovery phase. We kick off an in-depth discovery session using the insights gained to generate tailor-made solutions for the identified requirements. These proposals will then be validated with the client through internal usability testing. Once the details are finalized, we proceed to the development phase led by our skilled programmers and QA engineers. Lastly, we gather feedback from end users to continually improve and enhance the product. From the UI perspective, in projects of this magnitude, a well-defined design system and style guides are essential. They provide centralized, scalable, and consistent approach to design, facilitating seamless collaboration among teams and stakeholders.
So as we can see, building complex custom products involves not only the right technological solutions, but also proven processes and specific roles within the team. They enable the management of the vast scope of work and effective tackling of comprehensive technical and business issues. I hope this video will help you to make sure your IT partner has the mature enough approach to face advanced challenges that always come with complex product development. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more content on our insights.